All right, so here we go. I'm gonna work on the thermostat. Like I said, just gonna change the 195 degrees for 175. It's gonna be a 20 degree difference. So just gonna remove this, take this out, and go from there. Good thing about my water outlet, eBay, it can swivel, and then once you get it to where you want it, you just tighten it up and you're good. That way when you get your own hoses, you're good to go. Okay, all right, so that 175 degree thermostat's installed. I put a little silicone just to ensure the seal. Just gonna quickly tighten it, and then I'm gonna move on to my 1/8 NPT steam line vent on this side over here. All right, guys, here we go. Pump. Okay, I had a different setup coming in from the hose, and it had the 1/8 NPT. Okay, just a barb with a 1/8 NPT thread. Okay, all right, what 1/8 NPT thread. And basically we're just gonna drill a hole right here, right at the top, because this is gonna be the outlet going out to the radiator. Okay, so you want the steam coming in from the engine this way. Okay, it's gonna come in through here and then go out to the radiator to cool it. Okay, and then at the bottom is where it picks it up. Okay, so as long as you drill anywhere around this vein here, you're good. Instead of me having on the hose and it looking kind of ugly with the adapter, no more. I'm just gonna drill, tap it, just like I did with my other fitting at the timing cover. Since I already got the water pump out, might as well get to it. Okay, here we go. All right, so I got my drill. I'm gonna do a pilot drill first, pilot hole, and go from there. Go. All right, here we go. Bigger drill bit. Woo! Moved on me real quick. All right, beautiful. Just enough to get in there and get a couple threads in there. Beauty. Okay, Alright, so now we're going to use a 3/8 bit for the final drill. Alright, right through, done. Just gonna tap it now. Beautiful. Now I just gotta glue it and we're good. JB Weld with threads. She ain't coming out. Just enough to cut the threads. That's all I need. Nothing crazy. Nothing too fancy. Just enough to cover the threads. And once I cover the threads, make sure I wipe it down pretty good. We're good. Alright, I don't want to make this dirty. I gotta clean this up a little bit. There you go. And once I thread that, we're good. Here we go. See, the threads are, it all spreads out pretty evenly. As long as you do a good job and you wipe your mess. See, it seals up pretty good. There you go. Just gotta wipe it down and we're good. It looks nice and clean. Just gotta wipe it down a little bit so it looks decent. Other than that, that's done. That's done. Okay. Then I can put in a nice looking hose over here instead of just splitting it with this, with the adapter that I had in there. That's ready to go. Just gotta clean it up. Before it goes back in, it's gonna get all cleaned up. Okay. Right now it looks kind of dingy, dirty, nasty. So I'll do some degreasing and clean it, and we're good. Put it back in. When I put the timing cover, it's gonna look clean. When I put this in, it's gonna be clean. It's gonna be good. We'll go.